The ER-SGS34 KMY, we're making two types of potato. We're gonna put some holes in it first. Going to add some salt and olive oil. Give it a massage. Going for potato. Press 3 potato, start. It's so soft. Look at that. Peel off some skin lightly. Okay, we're gonna mash it in. Look at how soft this is. Garlic spread, 1 teaspoon, a little bit of milk, and continue mashing. Mix the sauce and heat it up. 2 minutes. Grab a little bowl, take your sauce out, drizzle. Now onto the stuffed cheddar potatoes. Empty them out. We add a little salt, cream cheese, ham, cheddar. Mix it up again, add a little milk. We're gonna stuff the potatoes, cheddar on top. The total cooking time for this is 6 minutes. So we're gonna top it off with ham. Back in for another 30 seconds. A light sour cream with this spring onion. Voila!